Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send and get WhatsApp message for failed Razorpay payment using AiSensy. So let's suppose I am running an online store and I am collecting all my payments with the help of Razorpay. Now whenever there is a new payment failure in my Razorpay, I want to send automated WhatsApp message to that customer, and I also want to receive the same message giving me the details of this customer. Now as I completely want to automate this process, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Razorpay and AiSensy. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take Razorpay where this payment failure will happen, and then in my action application I am going to take AiSensy with the help of which I am going to send message to my customer, and then again AiSensy with the help of which I am going to receive the WhatsApp message giving me the details of this customer. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send and get WhatsApp message on failed Razorpay payment. For this, we are going to create automation between Razorpay and AiSensy with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name and then have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to send and get WhatsApp message for failed Razorpay payment using AiSensy, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this WhatsApp automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send and get WhatsApp message for failed Razorpay payment, which means whenever there will be a failed Razorpay payment, I will send and receive a WhatsApp message, which means whenever there will be a failed Razorpay payment, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So whenever a failed Razorpay payment happens, and then action says do this, then send and get WhatsApp message. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Razorpay, and then in my trigger event, I have to take this payment failed. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Razorpay, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let's open my Razorpay account. So this is the app dashboard of Razorpay, and on the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I have to click on this developers. Now over here I can see this webhooks option on the top. I'll click on this, and then I am going to click on this add new webhook. Now I have to provide the webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I am going to first copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and then I have to provide the secret, and then over here I need to enter my active events. So the event is whenever there is a payment failure. So I'll choose this payment failed and then click on this create webhook. Now webhook saved successfully. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down, I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to open my payment page. So here in this Razorpay, on the left hand side, I have to click on this payment pages, and if I scroll down, I have all these pages. Now I am going to make the payment for this natural glow skincare face toner, and from over here I am going to copy this and paste that in the new tab. So here my checkout page has opened in front of me, and I am going to add some dummy details in all these fields. After adding all these details and making the form submission, if Pabbly Connect captured this response here in this workflow, this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL is successful. So I am going to open my checkout page and then I am going to fill some details. So here I have added some details. My first name is new, last name is user, email address is new@pabblytudes.com. This is the mobile number, street address is Old Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, and the pin code is this. Now I am going to click on this pay, and then I have to select my payment method. So from over here I am going to select this as UPI, and then I am going to enter some false UPI ID. So here I have entered my false UPI ID so as to make this transaction fail, and then I am going to click on this verify and pay. So here the payment could not be completed, and now this response should be captured in my Pabbly Connect. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down I can see this that I have received the response. The payment status is failed. Here I have received the address, which was Old Street, the state was Madhya Pradesh, pin code was this, phone number was this, first name was new, last name was user, email address was new@pabblytudes.com, and the city is Bhopal. I have received rest of the details, and now we can say that the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Razorpay, that is successful, and now whenever someone will make the payment, I will start receiving the response here in my Pabbly Connect of the failed Razorpay payment. So now I need to move to my next step. Whenever there is a failed Razorpay payment, I want to send and get the WhatsApp message. So here in my action application, I am going to take AiSensy, with the help of which I am going to send WhatsApp message. And then in my action event, I have to take this send template message. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then we have to enter the API key so as to make this connection. So to enter this, let's open my AiSensy account. So this is my AiSensy account, and on the left hand side where I can see this manage option, I'll click on this, and then over here I can see this API key. So what I'm going to do is copy and simply paste that over here and then click on the save. So WhatsApp by AiSensy is connected with Pabbly Connect, and I have to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name, and to enter this, let's open my AiSensy account. So over here in this manage section, I have to click on this all, and when I click on this, I can see all the templates that have been created. So now if you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this new option on the top right corner, and then over here you have to select the template category, then enter the template name, then enter the template type, then draft the message in a way that you want to send to the team, then select the template language, and then click on the submit. After this, your template will be created, and then after creating this template, you have to create a campaign. So first over here I have created a template by the name online store 6. So let's open this first, and here I have written hello demo. So this is the custom variable which will keep changing whenever I will receive a new lead with the name of the lead. And then I have written, we notice that your recent payment attempt for your order, we understand that sometimes payments can fail due to various reasons. Please take a moment to try completing the payment again. If you need any assistance or have any questions, feel free to reply to this message and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for shopping with us. Best regards. So here this is the template that I have created, and I have created a campaign for the same. So over here this is the campaign online store 6, and here you can see that this is the same message. Now if you want to create a new campaign, you simply have to click on this launch button, and then you have to go to this API campaigns, after which you have to select the campaign, and then you have to name this campaign. After doing that, you simply have to click on the set live. So over here I have already created this campaign by the name online store 6, and I'm simply going to copy this and paste that over here. Now I have to enter the mobile number. So I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received my response from Razorpay, and I will click on this Razorpay, and when I click on this Razorpay, I can see all the response that I have received from there. Now the mobile number that we received is this one, and then the username I want to enter as the name of the lead, which was new user. Now I have to enter the template parameter. I am leaving this, skipping this source and tags because these are not the required fields. But if you want to enter, you can enter following the help desk given below. Now in this template parameter, I have to enter the parameter values to be filled in our template message here. The parameter value should be comma separated, example this. So here in this template, the template that I have created, I have custom variable which is 1, which is the name of the lead. So here I am simply going to enter the name of the lead. If I had many variable, I should have separated those variables with the help of the comma and then entered other variables. Now over here I need to perform one more important step, that whenever there is a failed Razorpay payment for this particular product, for the product that I have made the payment, then only I should send and receive the message. For that we need to use one more action step before this action step, and we are going to search for a feature by Pabbly which is filter. And then in my action event, I have to select this filter value and then click on this connect. Now over here, I have to select the label. So in this drop down, the payment was made of this amount, 550. And over here, JSON value has eliminated this decimal value. That's why I am able to see this 000. So I simply have to copy this 55000 and then the filter type is equal to, and then I have to enter that number. So now whenever there is a payment failure for this particular amount, then only the message will be sent and received. Now I am going to click on this save and send test request, and here I have received the response. Now I am going to enter the mobile number, my own mobile number, as this is a dummy mobile number and I have to show you the WhatsApp message that I will receive on my number. So for now I am going to remove this and enter my own WhatsApp number. And then after entering my number, I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received the response. Now I should receive a WhatsApp message. So let's open my WhatsApp. And here I have received the response. Hello new user, the submission was made by the new user. We noticed that your recent payment attempt for your order. We understand that sometimes payment can fail due to various reasons. Please take a moment to try completing the payment again. So this is the same message template that we have created in AiSensy and that we just entered in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So now that I have received this message, I also want to receive the message giving me the details of the lead whose payment has been failed. So now I am going to add one more action step, and in that step I am going to again choose AiSensy. And then in my action event, I have to take this send template message and then click on this connect. Now as I have an existing connection, I'll go with save and then I have to enter my campaign name. So here I have already created a campaign. I'll go to this manage and then I'll go to this all, and over here I have created this campaign online 6 receive. Hello, there was a payment failure. Here are the details. Then I'll enter the first name, last name, email and phone. Thanks, regards. And I have created the campaign for the same. So here this is the campaign. Now I am simply going to copy the name of this campaign and paste that over here, and then I have to enter other details. So I am going to enter my own mobile number because I want to receive the WhatsApp message on my number. And then I am going to enter the username. So I'll enter the username of that lead only. And then I will enter the template parameter. So the template parameter that we have are first name, last name, email and phone. So first I'll enter the first name which was new, then put comma, then put space, then put user, then put comma, space and the email address, comma, space and phone number. Now after entering the template parameter, I am going to click on the save and send test request. And here I have received the response. Now let's open my WhatsApp. And here I can see that I have received this message also giving me the details of the lead. Now so as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, I am again going to do a failed payment for this particular product in my Razorpay, and if Pabbly Connect capture the response and send me the WhatsApp message, this means this workflow is working perfectly fine. So here I have entered my first name as latest, last name as user, email address as latest@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number, street address is New Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, pin code is this, and now I am going to click on this pay. Now I am going to select my payment method and then I have to enter my false UPI ID. Now I am going to click on this verify and pay. And here I can see that the payment has been failed. Now I should receive a WhatsApp message. So let's quickly open my WhatsApp. And here I have instantly received the response as soon as the payment failure happened. This time the lead name was latest user and the rest of the details and the message is same. And then I have received the details of this new lead, which was latest user. latest@pabblytudes.com was the email address and the phone number this time was this. So now to summarize, we took Razorpay as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We made a failed payment and received the response here in this workflow. After that, we took WhatsApp by AiSensy as the action application. With the help of which we send the WhatsApp message to that lead, and then again WhatsApp by AiSensy with the help of which I received the same details of the lead via WhatsApp. So here we successfully made automation between Razorpay and AiSensy with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.